Are you in Canada and looking for jobs but don't know how to make a resume Canadian style? Well, stay with me till the last of this video and I'll show you how to make a resume in Canadian style in just 5 minutes. Alright, I'll take you to my screen and I'll show you how you can make one yourself for free of cost. Alright, let's go fast. Okay, first you'll go to Google, then you will type over here job bank, then you'll click on the first link, job bank. Then you'll go to job search, then you'll click on resume builder, then over here you're going to sign up. You need to make an account. Now when you make an account, there are two options you'll get. One is the plus, second one is the standard. Now both are free, but there's only one difference. The difference is that when you are signing up for this account, plus it requires you to submit your SIN number. Now it's quite possible that a lot of people have not got their SIN number yet, so you can choose for this option standard. It is also the same. All right, you can go for this account, sign up. You will see the conditions. All right, you'll click on I agree. You'll move forward. You'll start entering your details. For example, let me put mine. All right, you need to follow these conditions, then you'll go to continue. All right, it's going to ask you confirmation. The confirmation code will be sent on your email, so you need to fill that code. So I entered my code and it had brought me to security questions. Now you need to fill the security questions one by one. You can choose as per your own convenience and you can put the answers. People, you need to remember that you need to remember these answers, because every time you log in, he's going to ask one of these questions from you and then only you can proceed further. Once you are done with all these questions, I have already filled mine. This is a demo account I'm using for showing you. Once you are done with the authentication, then what will happen is it will bring you towards this place. You can, once authentication is done, you can again go to job search, then you go to resume builder and this screen is going to pop up. Then you need to start filling in all the details for your resume. It will be a title, your resume language, English, French, resume template. It is going to ask you to choose, then all the information, for example, your personal details, your qualification, your hobbies, whatever you're looking for. Now once you are done with everything, you will click save in the final one. Now once you are done with filling all the information, you can again click on job bank. Since you already signed in, you will have to come here, then you can click on dashboard. All right, this is the dashboard I'm on right now. Then you can just scroll downwards and you can see your resume which you have created would be present here. You can click and you can view all your resumes. This is how you can make a resume for yourself totally free of cost, and it's completely downloadable free of charge.